everybody. This is Denise Barrett with The Real Deal. Thanks so much for stopping by to have a chat today. Today we're talking about the laundry room. More specifically, we're talking about something in the laundry room. We're not talking about the storage, the cabinets, or the machinery, the washer and dryer. We're talking about your laundry jug, your detergent. I don't know about you. I don't mind doing laundry. I don't mind washing, drying, folding. I don't even mind ironing. I don't so much love putting it away. My husband used to say the laundry room is not a storage facility, but I beg to differ. I think that's exactly what it is. But I do a lot of laundry, and I bet you do too. And this is not news to anybody, but let me tell you how big a deal it is. So here in North America, we do 300 billion, with a B, loads of laundry per year. That's a lot. Now, what that translates to in terms of your laundry detergent, right, is 900 million laundry jugs that have to be tossed out every year. Now, about 30% of those are recycled. Now, we're going to do a whole segment on recycling and what that means and what the benefits are, what the struggles are, what can be recycled, what can't, what we can possibly look forward to in the future to help us take better care of our homes and our planet. But today we're talking specifically about laundry jugs. So 30% of those get recycled. So what ends up in the landfill then is 630 million laundry jugs in the landfill every year, not recycled, in the landfill, which kind of looks like this. I feel like we can do better, and actually we have begun doing better. So here's what the deal is. So your laundry detergent in the big colorful jugs, which are designed to catch your eye, right? Humans like color, and they are orange and green and pink and blue and just all kinds of gorgeous colors to get your eye. The problem with those jugs is, because of what they're made from, are not easily recyclable, and they contain between 10 and 90% water. Now, water is needed in that formula, right, to suspend the chemicals and the cleaning agents. And even the little pods are 10% water in plastic, in plastic bags and so forth. So while that is going in the right direction, I still think there's something better. Now, here's what you need to know. I am not getting any compensation from any of the manufacturers of what we're about to talk about. They don't know me. I know them. I've done some research, and I want you to do your research too to figure out what products work best for the way that you live. And what I'm talking about now are laundry and cleaning agents in a sheet form. They kind of look like this over here. They started out just in laundry, but now there are cleaning products that are coming in sheet form too, which are designed to be dissolved in water so that you don't have plastic jugs to worry about. You don't have plastic of any kind to worry about. So let me give you an idea of what this looks like in real life, okay? So I happen to get my product in the mail. It comes to me in a product like this. More of the mainstream manufacturers now, though, are putting these in the grocery stores. So you may not have to do this via mail anymore. So do your research and figure out what best works for you. But this is how mine comes. So it comes in this paper package, which is 100% disposable. You can compost it, actually. You can tear it up and put it in your garden under the dirt, and it will dissolve on its own. But it's obviously easier to get rid of in a landfill as well. So, comes in this. So the product, though, comes in an envelope like this, right? And inside the envelope are these handy dandy sheets, right? Just this big, not a big deal. They don't make your hands sticky. They do smell nice, though. I'll be honest with you, they really do. And what you do is you throw this in your washing machine before you start the load. It completely dissolves and it does your laundry. For tiny loads, you can even cut the sheet in half. I just typically throw one sheet in because it does a good job for me. The impact of this on your daily life is that you are not harming your environment while you do what you have to do, while you do what everybody has to do. And at some point, that's really going to need to be important to the human race. I'm not judging. If you like your liquids, fine, use your liquids. I'm just suggesting give it a try. You don't have to lug the big jugs, and you don't have to worry about cleaning them or figuring out where they go. So here at The Real Deal, we talk about, obviously, all kinds of things. Yeah, we do talk about real estate, buying it and selling it, what's a good investment for you, the nuts and bolts of that. But we also talk about how to live in the home that you've got. Maybe you rent it, maybe you own it. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you're happy in it and that you're living well in it. So I hope you found this helpful. Enjoy doing your research. It's going to be a lot of fun, but if you have any questions, just drop us a line. We'll be more than happy to answer that for you. And if you have a topic you'd like us to cover, let us know that too. Thanks so much for joining us today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.